This is Rachel on the year's National Burping Contest. We have here today Emily Poole. One of our very champions, Rhonda.
I just burped. Did you guys hear that?
And then we have another one, Savannah Poole.
Yo, what's up?
First, we're gonna go youngest to oldest.
What?
And Emily will be first. Okay. Ready, Emily? You gonna try one more time to get 3 burps. That was Emily Poole.
I burped 4 times.
Okay.
Okay, and my third one.
Very last chance.
Okay.
That was Savannah Poole.
1, 2,
Rhonda Gopshis. And that was number 1.
I gotta go beat that, suckers. Now get that thing out of my face.
We'll be back with you soon for the judge's choice of the number 1 burper, the number 2 burper, and the you can burp it all burper.